Breaking news out of Baltimore. Homeowners all over Maryland are raving about this company, Yes, I Pay Cash, that is paying cash for houses all around the Baltimore area. They will buy your house in as-is condition. You don't have to make any repairs. You won't even have to clean the dirty dishes in the kitchen sink. Now, the company was founded by Tariq Thomas, a successful real estate entrepreneur who's been developing property and revitalizing communities all over the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions since the early 2000s. He is also the founder of Thomas Holding Group and THG of MD. If you need to sell a property fast for cash, work with an experienced home buyer that you can trust, who has integrity and is committed to finding the best solution for your situation. They will make you a fair cash offer and close in 14 days. Visit yesipaycash.com or call 877-366-4YES to turn your house into cash today.